What's going on? Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be talking about how we took this beautiful, scratch that, shitty turd to the track and absolutely almost lost my mind as a human being, a tuner, and a personal mechanic, I guess. I don't even know. But anyways, we're just gonna go and do a little narration of what happened because we didn't even get enough clips. The cameraman was trying to help me out. I had other people taking pictures of me. The car was not at its full potential. Plus on top of that, we were not running on full boost. We were still on gate. So we weren't even able to turn it up and actually show and see what the car can do. But let's start with the first problem we had. As soon as we got to the gate, paid for the tickets, the car started having this weird and it just would not maintain idle like it had a vacuum leak. But the thing is, it was really weird because the vacuum leak would come and leave, which didn't make any sense that there was a vacuum leak going around somewhere else. Then the second problem started. It would not start. Oh my god. At all. It would just crank and crank and crank and crank and crank. So I did my best as a tuner and as a mechanic. I brought my laptop, created a new map, uploaded the new map, and got myself in ready to race. And I got my ass whooped. But that is okay. The tune was not finalized and it still needed more fuel up top. So using the data that I used by running, I added the fuel, added the timing, and went again. Then the second round was just completely unfair. Again, it's a fully built K20 running like 30 something pounds of boost. Completely unfair. Now, let's get to run number 3, the best run we had all night. The best run of the night, and we actually had, shout out to my cameraman for recording this really good run against this little slow ass Civic, because that's all we are around here. We just slow Civics, you know what I mean? But he thought he was gonna put me in the bag, but it looks like I put him in the bag. With a little bit of shifting action, a little bit of drive mod, a little bit of right foot, we got him. And we were able to break 102, I believe. And he did a faster miles per hour, but I got out on him and because I did that timing on the tune where I knew that the car would like it, and I knew that my turbo and my setup would come in right about 3,000 RPM, so I knew what I was looking for. So it looks like I have a vacuum leak somewhere, or I might have ruptured with all the boost the intake manifold gasket. So probably a video coming up soon on that. So the next modifications are going to be pretty simple. We're going to throw some springs on the head and we're going to rev this puppy up to 7,500 RPM. Yeah, before all you Honda boys get on my comments and be like, oh, that can't be done, you're gonna crack a sleeve. Listen, I am going to find out for you, all right? This is my build, this is how I do things. I'm the tuner, ain't nobody gonna touch this car other than me. So I will tell you what is going to happen with my B20. And on top of that, we're gonna grade the intercooler. The intercooler is way too small, and since I plan to run lots of boost, I want to have a fan behind, that way when I'm going down the track, it's pulling all that air in, cooling down that temperature and making more power. Oh, my bad, just don't worry about that. It's a new toy. The multiple issues that we're having is these bad boys right there. Let me tell you, they go da-da-da-da-da-da-da. We are losing lots of miles per hour, lots of gear ratio. I need either some Mickey Thompson's ETs or something that can make me hook on the street and the track, bro. These bad boys gotta go. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I really appreciate you, and this is for my real ones. From today all the way to December, I will be doing 2 giveaways per month of whatever we can come up, gift cards, tools, whatever the case might be. So these are gonna be the rules for you to enter into the giveaway, and the giveaway will be live by the time this video, a week after, we'll announce it. The rules are pretty simple. Subscribe, follow me and my cameraman on the links below, and make sure you comment down on this video, and we'll just use a random generator and hit you on your social media once you have been selected. Man, I'm still in racing mode. I love that day. Too bad this car's and gave me 2 hours of straight headaches. But anyway, that's what made me the man who I am today. All the problems and all the mistakes I made during building this car. Now that we got out of the way, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below. Please comment and subscribe. And if you're wondering about the giveaways, just make sure you check the link down in the description. And we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
I know you got him picked, but the man's in trouble. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Bro, they make this shit so hard like you're filling out a WD2 form, bro. What the I feel like I got hired on a new job. Like, I don't even know what to put half of this shit. Half of this shit I'm like, I think it's a Honda. I think it has a V20 engine. Do you put out payout information? But I'm not getting paid.